everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be trying Valentine's Day catfish makeup. I'm gonna be real with you, I never do makeup. Sometimes I do it for like when I go out clubbing, or sometimes I'll do it for a video, but most of the time I'm just slumming it like,
as always, this is as good as it's gonna get.
So I found a video on catfish makeup. There's actually a lot out there, but the one I chose to watch is Megan Margot's because she has similar hooded eyes to me. A lot of the other ones, they just have naturally big eyes, which isn't fair because mine are sunken like Gaston Leroux's Phantom of the Opera. Down once more to the dungeons of my black despair. You guys are probably gonna laugh at how bad I am at this. Down we plunge to the prison of my mind. This isn't even my final form. All right, let's start.
I'm gonna start with primer.
Okay, primer. Do I even have primer? I don't think I do. I have eyelid primer.
Just listen to the translation of this. Smoothing, pore hiding, tone up. What does that even mean? Tone up.
Tone down for what?
So I don't usually use primers, but moisturizers are really good because it gets your skin like all prepared, especially if you have dry skin like me.
Okay, so it's just to make your skin moist.
I used it before and I'm like, oh my god, look what it does! So I'm going to be going in with my favorite foundation, which is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Deauville. So this was my summer shade.
Wait, summer shade? You have different makeup for different times of year? Whoa.
Misha BB cream.
Oh, BB cream. I have some of that. Let's do this. Oh, she's using a brush. I always just use my hands. It's probably gonna look terrible. Gotta do the neck too.
Number one of catfishing, you gotta make people believe that like this is your skin. This isn't foundation, it's not makeup.
She's right, I have to convince the creatures with a Y chromosome that I have no pores. I'm a fleshless creature of the divine.
So for my brows, I actually like to use the Jaclyn Hill palette because I still do not have.
I guess we're doing eyebrows? What? What? Wait, she draws on her eyebrows? What's wrong with my regular eyebrows, guys? Look at those! They're so sharp they could cut someone! Those things are edgier than Shadow the Hedgehog. Guys, I found that damn 4th Chaos Emerald. It's in this girl's eyebrows. I use this pencil thing, I guess, which is probably from my mom in the 80s because I don't remember buying it when I was a kid. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. Is this normal? This is gonna be a disaster, guys. I can already tell. Oh man. This ain't the right shade. Oh, I have brown mousse. Okay, that's probably the right color. I'm just gonna wipe this off. We're off to a great start. This is like black. Let me just go back over that with the foundation. I should have left them alone.
She is not looking cute. Look at this one. Look at all that hair at the bottom.
All that hair? All that hair? Girl, I'm like a lumberjack compared to you. Look at this. Okay, step 4 is eyes. We're doing eyes. I'm ready.
We'll say the Jaclyn Hill palette, but because there's no cool tone brown transition shades, I'm gonna be using this one from MAC, which is called Wedge. So I'm gonna use that as a transition for my eyes.
So she has some transition shade first and then a sparkly shade. Okay, can do. Then some dark pigment at the outer corners and blend, blend, blend.
Then you blend and blend and blend. Blending is the secret.
Okay, here's a sparkly shade. Man, how do girls do this, like, on a regular basis? I look like a raccoon, guys.
I'm now gonna be going with this black pencil from MAC called Engraved.
Ah, step 5, eyeliner. I think this is where the part where the transformation begins. I know I'm gonna ruin it. Get ready. Ew. Ooh. Okay.
Just gonna take my eyelash curler.
I actually have one of those because, believe it or not, I actually have fairly long eyelashes. They're just blonde, and my eyes are beady and small, like a possum or a mole rat. I'm all face and almost no eyes. The proportions are all wrong. Quick tangent story. So, while I was at my freshman dorm in college, I found some residents were having a drinking party. I didn't go, but I wasn't about to snitch on my homies. So while I was sitting in the lobby, I heard the fire alarm go off. And this guy, his name was Andrew, he stumbles out with a big drunken smile on his face and just holds up his finger and does this. And I was like, shit. So I basically hauled his drunk butt all the way to like our cool hangout spot, which at my school it was a bar restaurant called Tally-Ho. Gods, I was strong then. And while I was carrying him, he says to me, he goes, Jenny, your chest is like disproportionate to the rest of your body. Like you have these huge boobs and these tiny little legs, just doesn't make sense. Where's the lie though? Okay, back on task. Step 6 is just to draw a wing on your eyelid. I'm gonna look like a pharaoh, guys. Or it'll be more likely just a big jumble of black. Ooh, moment of truth. I'm scared. Oh gosh, I don't even know where to start. Ah. I blinked. I blinked. How do people do this, guys? That's a wing, right? Is it a little wing? It's like a little baby chicken wing. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. It could be worse. Let's try the other side. Oh, mistakes were made. Mistakes were made. They're not symmetrical.
So after that, I'm going to put on some mascara.
Oh my god, the winged eyes made her British. Maybe I can communicate with her. Tot, Harpoon, Lou, Fanny. It's cool, I brought her back. Okay, step 7 is mascara and falsies. Okay, I have one pair of false lashes that I have from my wedding because it was professionally done. That was the only time I've ever worn them, seriously. Here's my lash glue. Oh, it says it's supposed to be clear and it's yellow. Is that bad? It'll be fine, it'll be fine. Like, if it starts melting my eyes, I'll just run out of here screaming. It's gonna be okay. Which eye is this? This eye. Okay, it's this eye. This eye's gonna be first. Oh guys, I forgot to put on mascara! Oh no! This ain't gonna work. You know what you tell. Ooh, guys, look at that! Girls, we need to keep this a secret. Because if the men find out we can shapeshift, they're going to tell the church. Oh no, I'm British now too! So wait, it's the eyeliner. It makes you British. It turns you posh. So wait, if the eyebrows make you into Shadow the Hedgehog and your eyeliner turns you British, what would you sound like? Where's that bloody 4th Chaos Emerald, governor? Whoa, that is intense. I look like a drag queen. What step are we on now? 8? 8. Concealer? So I now draw to cover the eye bags from my 4 years of grad school. Yeah, yes please.
And then I'm gonna go over it with the Magic Eraser, is it? No, Instant Anti-Age Eraser by Maybelline.
Oh, that's the one I have. I thought magic erasers were only for countertops. Ooh. I think that's where the transformation happened, guys. Right here, right now. Where else did she put it? Because this is magic. A little is good, more must be better.
Okay, so then after that, using my Laura Mercier translucent powder.
Translucent powder? I don't know what that is, and I don't have any of it. Next step. Contouring. I guess I'll use the same old eyeshadow palette for contouring. That'll work, right? I think so. Yeah. Yeah. Where does she do it? Okay. I'm just gonna go in. Just gonna go for it, man. Is that how you do it? Is that all you do? Oh shoot, I might have gone too dark. Oh. I guess you're supposed to contour your nose. I'm scared. I'm scared. I've always wanted a bronzer, but I've never owned one. So sad.
Cool. Cool. Then.
Cool. Okay, next step, blush. I have two old crappy ones. Yeah. Let's do it. Do it. Covergirl. Okay, now we're gonna do a highlight, I guess. I'm just gonna use this real small brush that's used for like gel. And I'm just gonna go back in and do it. Just gotta go out there and do it. Just loosen up and be tight at the same time. I don't know how that's a highlight, but okay. I'm gonna like add a little bit of brightness like right at the corner here. Just because I feel like it needs it. Would you do? I'm sorry, I'm not gonna do a Buffalo Bill. I wanted to, I couldn't do it with a straight face. Would you? Next is lip liner. Okay, I do actually have some good lip stuff because a professional did my makeup at my wedding, so I still have some of those. I just feel like I should be playing the song Goodbye Horses as I stare into the camera like this. Would you? I see she goes straight in with lip gloss, but I actually have like a lipstick that is like matches this color perfectly, so I'm just gonna go along with that. And I think the last step is to do gloss. Where's my lip gloss? There it is. Last step is lip gloss. And I have Sheer by Lancome because I'm fancy, huh? I'm fancy, huh? There we go. Oh snap, guys, she's putting on a wig. She's going full catfish. Okay, I go to conventions like a nerd, so I've got to have a wig in my room somewhere. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, I have a red one, so let's see what it looks like. Woohoo! What do you think? So here's a close-up of the actual makeup itself. I feel like I need to make some sort of mating call. Wait just a second. Okay, I'm about to demonstrate a proper male mating call. Hey Arya!
Yeah.
Do you want to play a Yu-Gi-Oh with me?
Dragons or spellcasters?
Blue eyes.
Okay.
Quite simple, really. If you extend the keratin hairs on your eyelids and play card games with them, they are willing to mate with you. So here's the before, and here's the after. So there you have it. This is kind of the best I could do with what I had, so sorry about that. If you do want to know, I will leave the products that I did use in the description box below, just in case, but you probably don't want it. my old crappy makeup. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for sticking around and hanging out with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys again next week.